Paying a bill with a Visa card is a straightforward process that can be completed online, over the phone, or in person. To begin, ensure you have your Visa card and the bill you want to pay readily available. First, check if the biller accepts Visa card payments. As not all companies do, you can usually find this information on the bill itself or by contacting the biller directly. Next, gather the necessary information, including your Visa card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is typically located on the front of the card, while the expiration date and security code are found on the back. Now, choose your payment method. If paying online, go to the biller's website and look for the payment section. Select Visa as your payment method and enter your card details. Be sure to double-check your information for accuracy before submitting the payment. If paying over the phone, call the biller's customer service number and let them know you want to pay with a Visa card. They will guide you through the process, which typically involves providing your card details and confirming the payment amount. If paying in person, visit the biller's office and let them know you want to pay with a Visa card. They will process the payment using a card terminal. Once you have made the payment, be sure to get a receipt or confirmation number as proof of payment. This can be useful if there are any issues with the payment. Finally, verify that the payment has been processed successfully by checking your Visa card statement or contacting the biller. By following these steps, you can easily pay a bill with a Visa card. Remember to always keep your card details secure and only make payments to trusted sources.